exhaust valve open, when I close it, which is normally how the bike is, it's a lot less loud. And you can hear the difference right now. So open, closed. And so this is what it revs like with the exhaust valve open. It's pretty loud, but it's not as loud as I wanted it. I want traffic to hear me when I'm coming, so you can hear that. Here's how it sounds closed. That was closed, so it's not as loud. So now we're going to take off the pipe and show you what it sounds like without it. Because you can just go to AutoZone, pick up a cheap little pipe, and this thing will sound amazing. That's the tone I like right there. A lot more throatier, a lot more aggressive. And this is only 600 right here, so this one sounds perfect now. So that's what I'll end up doing. I'm gonna go to AutoZone, go try to find a nice little tip for it and make it somewhat nicer than how it is right now. But it shouldn't be too hard. Last time I did this, I just took this little clamp right here, this little C clamp, I guess you call it. Put that on, found a pipe from AutoZone that slid right on, and it came out to right about here, and it was like 12-15 bucks. So I'm not gonna pay $300 for an exhaust while this thing sounds good without one. And you can hear it. It's throaty as shit. So this is my question, why does everyone spend all this money? Because this is a 2008. So from 2000, I think 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 to what, 14 maybe? I think they're all the same setup. Just take off the stock exhaust and this thing sounds awesome without it. And then just make your own tip. I mean, why pay $100 and something for Tosh when this is perfect, I think, sounding. And everyone that says anything about back pressure, you still got the cats, so I mean, I have no problem. Just in the morning when I first started up, it kind of bogs down when I first give it some revs, so I'll let it warm up before I go take it for a ride, and I have no issues. But yeah, so that's my bike.